Welcome back friends. Welcome to TechUnboxPro, and today we are going to explore one of the most talked about budget 5G smartphones of this year, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G. This phone is creating huge buzz in the market because it promises premium design, smooth performance, and next-gen 5G connectivity at a price that almost anyone can afford. So if you are planning to upgrade your smartphone in 2026, this video will help you decide whether this device is really worth your money. Let's start with the design, because this is where Infinix has surprised everyone. The Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G comes with a beautifully curved display and a slim body that feels much more expensive than its price. When you hold it in your hand, it does not feel like a budget phone at all. The glossy back finish reflects light in a premium way, and the camera module looks modern and stylish, just like flagship phones. This is the kind of phone you can confidently place on a table and people will ask, which phone is this? Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the biggest highlights of this smartphone. You get a large, bright, and smooth screen that is perfect for watching YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and playing games. The curved edges make everything look more immersive, and scrolling feels extremely smooth thanks to the high refresh rate. Whether you are browsing social media or watching movies, the display experience feels rich and satisfying. Moving on to performance, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G is built to handle daily tasks easily. From multitasking to gaming, everything feels responsive. Apps open quickly, switching between them is smooth, and even heavy games run without major issues. For people who like playing PUBG, Call of Duty, or Free Fire, this phone delivers stable performance with good graphics. And of course, with 5G connectivity, you get super fast internet speeds for streaming, downloading, and online gaming. The camera system is another strong point. The main camera captures sharp and colorful photos, especially in daylight. Whether you are taking pictures of nature, food, or people, the results look clear and detailed. The AI features help improve colors and brightness, making your photos look ready for social media. For video lovers and content creators, this phone also offers smooth video recording, which is great for making reels, vlogs, or YouTube shorts. Now let's talk about battery life, which is extremely important. The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G comes with a large battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. You can watch videos, scroll social media, play games, and still have power left at night. And when it comes to charging, fast charging support helps you get back to 100% quickly, so you don't have to wait for hours. One of the best things about this phone is the overall balance. It offers a premium look, a smooth display, strong performance, reliable cameras, and long battery life, all in one package. This makes it one of the best choices in the budget 5G category right now. So if you are searching for a smartphone that gives you maximum value for your money without compromising on style and performance, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G is definitely a smart option. It is designed for modern users who want speed, beauty, and reliability in one device. Friends, this was a detailed look at the Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest smartphones and tech, make sure you subscribe to TechUnboxPro and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.